Hello guys, all set. अब म ready to hit the snow. The only problem is मैले टोपी चाहिँ लिएर आइन छु. But thankfully it's not that cold. Let's see how it goes.
Here we go! I don't care! No hands! No hands!
Did that scare you? Alright guys, I got my ticket. I got my sledding. I don't know what this is called, maybe a sled. And I'm ready to hit.
Just like if you lose it or something, that's why.
Alright. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Go ahead and walk on up here to this orange cone. I'm gonna have you sit on that side for me.
Alright.
Come on up. Have a seat on there. Go ahead and pull that thing down. You can put the sled down right next to you on the seat. It'll slide down in there. It won't fall out.
Okay, thank you.
Pull the bar down above your head.
Oh, this is fun, man. This is fun. It's like cable car, Nepalko cable car chढे जस्तो हुँदैछ. Look at me, I'm all alone, all by myself. Coming here to sled. Oh my god. This is fun. New Year's ma feri हामी आउँछौं skiing गर्नलाई. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to skiing as well. Look at them come. I am. Hi guys. My channel is But Beyond Travel. But Beyond Travel. The show is about to begin. You cannot? You did a great job doing it.
The legs hurt.
What do I do? Just jump off?
Yeah, jump off.
What did you guys say you wanna do? You wanna be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright. Next round, I'll give it to you and then you can hold it and you go down, okay?
Wait, how many followers do you have?
I don't have much.
You'll get more. Are you on TikTok too?
I'm on TikTok. I don't post much
Wait,
now.
what's your channel again?
Beyond Travel?
Travel?
You're Beyond Travel.
Beyond Travel. Beyond Travel. Alright, thank you.
Alright. Yeah, कसरी आइपुग्यो? Yeah, you do? Thank you guys.
You just have to, just have to keep your feet straight.
Alright, that's what I did wrong, okay.
How can we do it? Is it vlogging? Hey! Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go! Everybody get ready, everybody get ready! Ella.
You wanna go next?
Yay!
Will you hold on to them? Recording.
Recording.
Okay. Yep, we on video.
Wait, is there gonna be enough people?
I'm on YouTube. Do I have the camera flipped the wrong way? Or
Wait, if we go with him, then we can't go with Brad.
I'm on the R-tar.
Where are you going?
He's skinning.
My goodness.
And we're going up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Cash, you talk
Down. We're on the ski lift. We're on the ski lift. We're on the ski lift. We got it. Okay, YouTube.
Bro, this is tough. We gotta film a YouTube.
You should watch this. You should watch this. We're on the ski lift and
It takes like 3 minutes.
in Nebraska. On
Well, this isn't even our camera. Is this a live stream or is this just a video?
this is a video. Why would it be a live stream?
I don't know. Live streams are busting man.
If it were to be a live stream, I'd be happy. This is not even our camera. This guy said we could use it to film.
$800.
Yeah.
It
It was $800.
It was a W Man's.
He's a W YouTuber.
Yeah, no.
This is my first time ever
I'm subscribing
filming a
to
YouTube
his
video.
channel. Just
Yeah,
for
I'm
his buddy.
subscribing the second I get home.
Sam, bro.
Yeah.
To be
To be continued.
No,
To be
no.
traveled. To be traveled. Everybody watching, subscribe or else.
What are they doing?
I just need to lock in here. And I need to ask him if
The camera's on.
the camera's on when we get up to the place. Yeah, we're on the ski lift.
Boring YouTube video ever. It's kind
Yeah.
of boring right now because we're not sledding.
Yeah, we're not sledding right now, but wait till we get up. And he'll probably edit it too, you know?
Yeah, he will.
And I got my face cut because one of the ice scraped my face when I was sledding.
No, guys, you don't use your feet to like turn.
Yeah,
Just lean
I know.
this
I know
way.
you lean
What's
this,
the-
but
what's the
you
point?
use your feet to like brake.
You don't even
Yeah,
Oh yeah. No, what?
Yeah,
We should go
yeah,
head
yeah,
first. Not
head
you.
first.
No, 'cause you know snow's gonna get in your face.
Yeah,
I mean, snow already gets in my face every time, like a lot of it.
maybe because you
Yeah,
don't have
but
the
you don't-
eyeglasses.
Maybe because I don't want to wear them because they do.
Guys, stop arguing on a freaking YouTube video.
Yeah, don't cuss on the YouTube video.
I said freaking. It's
Uh-huh.
fine, guys.
Guys, yeah. And he can blurt it out.
You're right.
Yeah. We're filming.
My man's be filming.
Yeah, we filming.
We filming YouTube.
You want to be on it? Show them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're on YouTube now.
He's funny. He's the best employee here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, best employee here.
Woo! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Is it?
Not yet.
Judd, is it showing? Is it showing me? Is it showing me?
No, hold
Is
on.
it showing
we're
me?
gonna ask him. We're gonna ask him.
Okay. Is it still filming? Okay, okay, good. Good.
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! 3, 2, 1! Woo! Here we go! Going down the hill! It's the best! Woo! Good, good! Woo! Woo! Oh my God! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Speed bump! Oh! Yeah! Let's go!
I'm letting everyone else go first.
Come on, Judd.
The camera's not even facing you.
He's fighting. Put the camera. Judd, put the camera.
Oh!
It's facing your feet.
I don't care! Yeah! Oh my God! I'm filming! Oh! Here. What's up? Thank you.
Thank you. What's up, YouTube? Tube. You're right.
You'll never catch me.
There you go, Kyle. There you go. Here we go. All right, they just went. Here we go. We're gonna be the fastest one. What's up, YouTube? Woohoo! Woohoo! Ready? Watch this. No hands. Woohoo! Woo! What's up, YouTube? Woo! Oh, we're gonna run into these kids. Here we go. And I made it farthest.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I think it was the best one.
Guys, we're racing. Okay?
Alright, that's smart.
Did that scare you? I fell off the cliff. Yeah? Alright. Thank you guys. I'm leaving. It was nice meeting you. Yeah. Alright guys. Bye-bye. Leaving. Bye-bye. Have fun guys. We appreciate you guys. Merry Christmas.
You too.
Can I take a video with you guys?
Yes, come in.
Alright, can I?
Yeah.
May I? Thank you so much.
I?
Yeah. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Alright, you can squeeze in. Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Alright. Alright, thank you. Alright, it was fun. Thank you guys for watching my video. This is the end of sledding vlog. It was fun. 10 round जति गरे मलाई. I met some cute little fellas. They're excited to be on camera. They're excited to be on YouTube. And I've taken a lot of videos. Probably I'm gonna edit and put it on YouTube. So it was fun. It was really fun. I'm hoping to come back, and not for sledding, but to ski again sometime in New Year's probably. So thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking to the end. I'm heading home. Adios amigos. Bye bye.